We are Yunex Built, the dynamic extension of Yunex traffic that is redefining manufacturing excellence. In our award-winning global facility in Poole, UK, we are expanding beyond traffic and transport to shape the future of technology across diverse manufacturing industries. With a distinguished history of manufacturing excellence spanning several decades, Yunex Built stands as a global leader. Our journey goes beyond the production line. At Yunex Built, we are both the creators and repair experts, allowing us to pioneer innovation and sustainability simultaneously. This duality empowers us to push boundaries and redefine what it means to be a leader in the manufacturing industry. Yunex Built offers more than manufacturing. We provide a complete end-to-end solution, seamlessly integrating every step of the manufacturing process. From concept to reality, Yunex Built delivers excellence at every step. As we export our innovations to over 60 countries, Yunex Built is redefining manufacturing on a global scale, showcasing our commitment to setting and surpassing industry standards. Together, we are not just creating products, we are creating a legacy. Together, we manufacture excellence, shaping a future where innovation and precision seamlessly unite. We are Yunex Built.